In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks 2,500 pounds per square inch pressure washer. Your pressure washer may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble this pressure washer. Step 1. Unpacking. We recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box in packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Installing the upper handle. Align the holes on the upper handle with the holes on the lower handle and push down until secure. Insert the handle bolts, then secure them using the handle knobs. Step 3. Installing the upper panel. Align the screw sleeves on the front panel with the holes on the upper handle. Install and tighten the screws on the left side of the panel using a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 4. Installing the spray gun holder. To attach the spray gun holder, line up the screw holes on the spray gun holder with the holes on the right side of the upper handle. Insert the screws and secure it with a Phillips head screwdriver. You can now slide the spray gun onto the spray gun holder. Step 5. Installing the power cord storage. Start by inserting the screw through the storage arm. Align the screw with the hole on the handle attachment. Then insert the screw into the hole on the lower handle and tighten it with a Phillips screwdriver. Repeat this process with the second arm. Step 6. Installing the wheels. Slide the axle through the wheel, then through a washer, the handle frame, and another washer. Secure the axle with a cotter pin. Repeat the same process on the other side. Step 7. Installing the spray wand. Push the end of the wand into the trigger handle and twist the coupler clockwise until it locks. Give it a gentle pull to make sure it's secure. Step 8. Installing the high-pressure hose. The high-pressure hose can be stored on the front of the upper panel. To install the hose, push one end of the hose into the outlet coupler of the pressure washer and turn clockwise until it is firmly secured. Attach the other end to the inlet coupler on the spray gun and tighten it by turning clockwise. Step 9. Connecting the water supply. Now we'll hook up the water supply using a garden hose. Before you connect the hose, make sure there are no blockages. The water must come from a clean, cold main supply, never from ponds, lakes, or hot water sources. The minimum PSI for well water is 45. Step 10. Spray nozzles. Your pressure washer comes with different spray tips for different jobs. The black soap tip is used to apply detergent at low pressure. The 15-degree yellow tip provides a concentrated, high-impact spray, ideal for heavy-duty cleaning on hard surfaces like concrete, brick, and masonry. The 25-degree green tip is great for general cleaning with strong pressure without damaging most surfaces. The 40-degree white tip produces a wide, gentle spray, perfect for wood decks or other delicate surfaces. The turbo nozzle spins in a tight pattern to blast away stubborn dirt and grime. To install a spray tip, pull back the quick connect collar on the wand, insert the tip, then release the collar. Tug gently to make sure it's locked in place. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.